Well, it's Wednesday. I gotta go to FedEx with a big package. And noticed something a little odd about the Camry. It's sitting a little lopsided, maybe. Yeah. The tire is flat as a pancake. Looks kind of deteriorated too. So we're gonna pull that off and see what we can figure out. I got a new used jack, so maybe that'll work better than the yellow one does. And if we can't fix that tire, I did buy some new tires for this Camry, which are, I don't know if you can see them, like deep hiding in there. So we could probably slap those on if we have to. I know Walmart's gonna be backed up today, and I don't really feel like going to the used tire shop, but we'll see what we can do. Let's get this thing off first though. I don't know how to describe it, but this jack doesn't feel good. It seems to be working though. But it's not exactly inspiring confidence. Yeah, I don't think a jack is supposed to do that. It's not going up anymore. All right, we're up far enough anyway. All right, let's put a little air in the tire with our bicycle pump to see if we can hear a leak. You're probably not going to be able to hear this, but I can hear and feel air coming out of this tire right here. If a tire's leaking out of the side like that, there's nothing we can do to fix it. So we got to replace it. Now, luckily for me, I bought some tires for the 96 Camry, which I have not installed yet. So I can slap those on the 98. And if we get really lucky, then they will be able to give us a couple of tires at Walmart today. I suspect that we can't because it's already like 3 in the afternoon. But I find that if I walk into Walmart just with the wheels, they're way more amenable to hooking me up. Let's get that installed and we'll put the other one on the other side. I just hope this jack is up high enough. Yeah, we got it. I'm not sure if these are the right lug nuts for these steel wheels. So I'm gonna run this one in and just see how it works out. Yeah, I think this little beveled lip right here fits into the steel wheel, whereas the rest of it kind of fits into the alloy wheel. So this is gonna look goofy, but we'll just run it like that. Make sure to check them. Wow, that looks ridiculous, doesn't it? I wonder if I try to put some more hydraulic fluid in this jack, will it work better? I'm tempted to try, but the hydraulic fluid at Home Depot is like, I don't know, $6 a bottle. Speaking of Home Depot, I tried to put an Amazon link in the last video so you could buy one of these, but Amazon doesn't have the same kit that Home Depot does, which is this, a battery, a charger, and a bag for $350. So I would say buy it at Home Depot, even though that means I'm not going to get an affiliate link from Amazon or an affiliate commission. I figure Home Depot must have some kind of exclusive deal with Milwaukee to offer this tool in that package deal. And I think that's about the best you're going to do. And even though I would say so far this thing's cost me like 10 bucks every time I've used it, because I don't use it that often, it's just a brilliant, brilliant tool. So, whether I make an Amazon commission or not, Merry Christmas to you, and treat yourself to one of these. All right, now let's let it down. Jack seems to be working a little bit better on this side. And I'll get my Craftsman torque wrench and just torque these by hand a little bit. Hashtag that's not a torque wrench. And like I said, I'm not really sure about these lug nuts. I don't know if they're only designed to work with alloys, but we're gonna keep checking these as I drive around tomorrow. All right, so that solves half of our problem, which is that we had a flat that we couldn't drive on. The other half of the problem is seeing if I can get new tires, hopefully today. So I don't know exactly what I can and can't record at Walmart, but I will do my best to keep you apprised. But for now, we're on the road again. All right, here we are pulling into Newburgh Walmart. And I guess we'll pull all the way to the back to the Tire and Auto Center. And we'll make sure to stop at every stop sign in the parking lot. That beach cruiser is always there. All right, full stop at the stop sign. And I'm gonna say, based on the number of cars that are here and the number of cars that are inside, my chances of getting tires today are exactly 0. But I'll go inside and see what happens. Wish me luck, and I'll see you in 1 second. All right, so Walmart was not exactly a bust, but they don't have any appointments available till Sunday. So that's what's today, Wednesday? So I guess Sunday at 1 p.m. I'm gonna go get my tires done, all 4 of them, and I will catch back up with you then. Well, I'm headed to my appointment with Walmart, and here's my little note, because the tires need to go on those wheels back there. I hope they don't screw it up, but we'll see what happens. This is not exactly what I want to do, go to Walmart at 1 o'clock on a Sunday, but I guess if you need tires, then you got to do these things sometimes. Wow, we're stuck behind somebody who's super slow. Well, here we are. The Walmart Auto Center here in Newburgh. See? Let's see how long it takes me to get my tires on. This might be a stupid video because all I've really done myself is just, you know, swap the rear wheels, and I'm letting Walmart do everything else. Look, there's the Camry on the lift at Walmart. All right, there she is, and it looks like Walmart got the job done. Let's check it out. Oh, where's my key? There's my old tires. Well, actually, no, these are from the other Camry. And they put 4 nice new Douglases on here. Yeah, we're looking good. Nice new tread, and winter's coming up soon. So today was the mounting and balancing, and that was, wow, focus. $61.55. Or no, $60.55, and then the tires themselves a few days ago was $230.58. So little over $290 for 4 brand new tires, mounted balance installed. And these are not like cream of the crust tires. They're the cheap, you know, the cheapest ones you can get, really, but I never had any problems with them. Let's see how she drives. Yeah, nice and smooth. All right. So we're driving down Route 300 in Newburgh, and the car already drives smoother, or more smoothly than it did before. I think the tires went up a little bit. It used to be less than $250 for 4 tires for this car, or for the other Camry. Now it's like $290, but everything goes up, right? Now I guess we'll get on the highway and see how that works out for us. Woo! Look at the car in front of us. It's a Camry. So I've definitely been having some vibration in my front end, and I think it's because of my struts, but it might have been these tires. Let's see how that goes. All right, we're in the slow lane. So I would say I still have vibration in my car from the worn out struts and springs, but it feels a little bit better, and I definitely have a lot more confidence, especially going into the winter now with these brand new tires. And I guess that does it for our little tire adventure. And I will say that this is the only time I ever had to wait for an appointment to get tires at Walmart. And they said they're backed up because their compressors went down for 4 days. So usually if you go there early enough in the day, like, you know, 1 or 2 in the afternoon, you can get an appointment right then and there. So I'd say overall it's been a pleasant experience, and don't panic if you get a flat tire, I guess, especially if you have a Milwaukee impact gun and 2 jacks and 2 spare tires and a Walmart near your house and no real job where you have to worry about commuting to work. All right, that's the end of that. Thanks for watching.